Hello, my sisters. Today, I introduce my sisters to a dress shirt. Oh, with the shirt. Then we'll get this shirt collar. 2 bags on both sides. The sleeves will be painted and there will be a rope. Press the button here and press the vertical button. And this shirt is covering the entire calf. And sewing and pregnant here, huh? The material here is my sister can be sewing with a fabric. Linen. Linen or raw cotton is fine. Then with non-elastic fabric, I will guide my sisters the way we design for this model. As a first step, my sisters will give me a piece of shoes. Your shoes will be long. And then there's the cross-legged part. Well, with this shirt, we'll have buttons. That's why. My sister will stack me up this way as a piece of shit. And then I added another inch. Then you guys put it like this. And we've got the other side. For the body first. And then from here, we're going to cross. From this middle point. This stack is 2 cubic meters of gasoline. From here, I'll take the shoulder. Is by shoulder divided by 2. Here's his shoulder, but 2 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Here, you're going to go through 16, then down to 4. Go here for 6 parts. And we'll get the lower chest. Divide your breasts by 5. You add 2 to 80 to 5 plus 2. If you take 18, it is 18. Let's make a perpendicular line. And when we take it, we'll take it from the center, just like the one above. You will take it with your chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. The road back is 22. Then I'll take the lower part. If you lie down here, you will also get a massage. And then we build a perpendicular line across it. Then I'll get to the waist. I'm going to divide my waist by 4 plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took a road that was 18. And then you're going to lower your ass and give me 18 acres. Then, from here one way across. This way, you will get your ass. Is equal to ass divided by 4. Give me 2. So 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. From this point in the middle, you can measure 22. Then, girls, you will continue. Make a connection to the flank. And this shape is the same as it is. Then you can take it out like this for me. Then you will come up to me. I will be 25. To draw this gourd shape below to 5, you're going to divide this into 3 parts. I connected this part here. Then you'll divide it into 3 parts. I want to cut this into 5 glasses, and I voted this passage raw as a fraction. And then you're going to bend the driving part. Then we'll get the gourmet driver here. This is my front body. So now you're going to build a perpendicular line. Come down for me. Back up. Give me 2 meters of gas. Split in half again. And then we can draw the armpit. Next you will come down. This section is 6, so I'll add this to it. Split it in 2. Split in 2. Then split it in half. I'll draw the necklace here again. Well, we'll get the collar. With this shirt, people will sew the shape. There is no Ben. So here I am with Ben broadly. Let me wear a loose shirt. And before the design goes on, I'll take a look at you. Well, with the necklace measurement, here it is. Is by ancient. Divide by 30 divided by 5, and it's 6. The necklace is 30, and the shoulder is 30. A chest here. Here's your ass. These numbers will change according to your size. So if you have other measurements, we take the yardstick that we measure on our bodies. These numbers it. I'll replace the one you marked. Round here. Then we'll get horizontal numbers and number of different lengths. I also use a drawing like this that we're going to draw on the wedge. My model. It will meet many different sizes. And now we paint. This bag is from. Take it down and give me 15. Up here, down to 15. 15. Then you'll come by, give me a ride. The road will cut. The part. The button is 4.5 inches from the outer edge. And then you'll line up a perpendicular line. Come down. I'll see what this bag of mine is. This bag is 10. My length will be 12, ladies. And then I build a perpendicular line. Go ahead. And here I'm going to put a perpendicular line in here. You see, I'll get the bag. And the bag cover. Well, what you're going to measure is, let me start from up here. I measured it down to 4. Then point. Come down and give me a half. Then we'll be able to adjust the flap here. Divide it in half. That's the bag cover. This is where the bag is. This will be the bag cover. Then we'll have a bag. The bag position and the previous day's bag cover are finished. Now you will be real. Now cut the back. And note, are all the models that I recommend to you. There is no seam, when you may have to leave the seams. The back body will have no buttons, so I put this part of it in a tank. Then I put them all together. From here, you can paint this part for me. To gasoline. This part rotates. Give me a butt and we'll leave it alone. She's here. You're going to draw it down. then we just need to adjust. It's very light and simple. That way, we'll get the back. And now I'm going to cut the back, based on the front body along the red line. And remember, there's no seam. If you want to be lucky, you have to be lucky. And we're going to get a back body like this. Cut based on the previous body. The body after it will be different from the one before it. You will cut the part. Chest Asian, it will go down for a gasoline. This will be the back. Later, the sisters multiplied for a reason by. Here, we're going to be the right side of the fabric. And after we draw the body, after that, you will cut the body first. If it's in front of you, drop it by 1 inch. And the rest below is normal. And remember Arabic. According to the bag, for example, I put it up here. Let's put this part in here. Here you are at the top. Then we'll get the body of the bag. After the bag is finished, we will arrange the order. This part comes in. Here, I finished watering. Then the part. Here's the bag. Let's make a corner. Put this corner in the middle, ladies. The middle is this side. Then when you finish packing, we open it. You'll have the Arabia of the pocket lid and you cut it off. And the rest will be the side pocket. And this will be the top of the bag that we're going to get the theater of the pocket. And then after you cut the body, first, we'll draw the hand. I'll measure here with my hand, and I'll measure 20. Body after. No, it's 2. Then you'll take it down. Give me the armpit part. The lower armpit is equal to the chest divided by 10 plus 5. Chest here is 80. What you divide by 10 plus 5? So we're going to be equal to 13. Then we put up a square ruler. Here we have 21. Here we have 20. Then you take 20 plus 2. So we're going to get 4 of you divided by 2 is equal to 20.52. 10.5 I connected here. Then you split it in half. Put this part in here, put this part in 2. 2 and 1. I'll take the long arm. Then, take it from this paragraph, ladies. Take it perpendicular down here. Then split it in half. This part you back up for me. If the cross of your hand is equal to 14 by 16, I'm back in this area. Then split it in two and continue. Give me 5 glasses of this. This part up for you is a gasoline. Then we'll get the sleeve part. I cut out the sleeves. Then you'll get a long sleeve like this. So now we're going to cut the part. Cotton shirt. The color of the shirt, I'll measure the necklace first. And the back necklace. Today we measured the back necklace. I can measure 10. And the other day I measured 13. Then you take 10 plus 13 is equal to 23. You guys give me a straight line. Let me give you 23. Then split it in two. And then from here, I'll give you the leg. And get the legs. This part you back to inches. Here you go, give me 5. This entrance is split in two. In this part, you will. From this road you push out to more petrol ha. Then you take this line up. Two and a half inches, that's 3.5 inches. And we're going to get the leaf part of the shirt. And here if you want a round shirt, then we'll go around this corner. Here you get the part. Her legs. Get the old leaf here ha. Then we're going to get a shirt collar like this. I'll put it in the body. That. And we're going to look at the image again. Of today's model. The front leg. The back. This is the sleeve. This is the bag. The bag and the lid, and this is the collar. Here it is. You saw a whole set of these colors today. Well, if you like this one, but you haven't figured out how to be lucky, you can be a comment, let me know. I'll see the comments and if I can. 10 comments and I'll show you how to cut it. I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.